E-bike B20X assembly instruction. Open the carton box. Take the e-bike out of the carton as well as the accessories box. Take out the pedals, charger and toolkit from the accessories box. Carefully remove all packing materials from the bike. Do not use sharp tools to avoid damaging the painted surface. Take out the quick-release hub axle and remove the plastic cover from the front wheel. Unscrew the nuts on both sides and remove the packing protective rod from the fork. And remove the red plastic clip of front brake clipper. Install the front fork dropouts to both ends of the hollow hub axle. Remove the nut and spring at one end from the axle. Insert the axle into the hub, rotate and tighten the nut and lock it out with quick release handle. Turn the adjustment handle upwards, lock the quick-release buckle and remove all protective covers on the bike. Various types of tools are included in the toolkit. Take a right tool and unscrew the 4 screws on the goose cap. Install the handlebar central on the goods. Then install the 4 screws and tighten them. Now install the front fender. Take the right tool and release the nut on the fork. Install both the headlight and fender with one screw and tighten the nut. Install the fender bracket ends to the front fork. Take apart the pedals, which are the left and right pedals. Install the pedals in the left and right directions and tighten them. Install the seat and adjust it to a suitable height. Then lock the quick release handle. Take the key and insert it into the lock and turn on the battery power. After installation is complete, long press the power button to open the display.